Hello, in front of me I have ACER Iconia One 10-inch model B3-A40, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on the power saving mode on this device. Let's start by opening the quick panel. To do it, we need to swipe downwards from the top of the screen, like this, twice, to open the quick panel. Here we have it, and on the quick panel you should have this battery icon. Tap on it. You should see this menu now, and here we have option called battery saver. To enable the power saving mode, simply tap on the switch next to battery saver, like that, and then you can tap done, tap on the screen. You should have these orange borders on the screen. That means that the battery saver is enabled, and to disable it you can open the quick panel again, tap on the battery icon, tap on the switch to disable it. You can also tap on more settings right here to open the battery settings, and here we have two options. First one is standby intelligent power saving, and we can enable it or disable it by tapping the switch, and below we have battery saver. We can tap on it. We can enable the battery saver by tapping on the switch right here, and we can also tap on turn on automatically, and here we have three options: never, at 5% battery, and at 15% battery. If you select, for example, 15% battery, now your power saving mode will enable itself automatically when the battery reaches 15% battery or below. And once you're done, you can simply go back. And that's how you enable the battery saver, or rather power saving mode, on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.